The question wants to sketch the graph by using end behavior, finding zeros, and explaining the behavior near each zero, and it wants us to find a point between each zero. So, from the equation, x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x, the parent function is y equals x to the third. And since it's positive, we know that the end behavior of the graph will look like this. And now, with the equation, what we do is just factor it, and so you can take out an x, and you're left with x squared plus 4x plus 4, and you can break that down even further to x plus 2, x plus 2, and that's also equivalent to x plus 2 squared. Our zeros are 0 and negative 2. To find the behavior near each zero, you plug the 0 into the factor accepted sum. So, near 0, you're going to plug in 0 into the equation, and that equals 4x. So the line will cross with the slope of 4x, and then near negative 2, again you're going to plug that into the same equation, and then you will get negative 2 x plus 2 squared. And since it has an even multiplicity, we know that the parabola will touch through the graph. And then now we have to find a point between the 0, and I'm going to use negative 1. And to do this, you plug in negative 1 into the equation. So negative 1 plus 2 squared, and that's going to equal negative 1. So one of our points on the graph will be negative 1, negative 1. And now all we have to do is just graph it. So we're going to put the point negative 1 there. And then we're going to plug in our zeros, which is 0 and negative 2. And remember, the negative 2 has a multiplicity of 2, so it will touch. So it'll look like this. And then our end behavior is going to look like that. And then it crosses through 0 with a slope of 4x, with the end behavior going up. And that's what the graph should look like.